guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great in your life and very well and fine. So this was the day when I was making my backlog list, and trust me, when I was making it, I was totally shocked and I was like, damn, I have so much to cover up, but it's okay. इतना सारा बैकलॉग होने के पीछे की वजह यही है दैट माई हेल्थ इज़ नॉट वेल एंड इट्स स्टिल नॉट वेल, सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न. एंड उसके बाद आई चेंज माई प्लेस, आई शिफ्टेड टू माई बेड एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग नोट, बट आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट वेरी वेरी सिक. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं किया एंड आफ्टर 1 or 2 days आई वेंट समवेयर एंड जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू. I was not feeling well, but I also want to reduce my backlogs. अगर ये इंग्लिश की क्लासेस एंड नोट्स ये सब नहीं बनाते तो शायद मेरे पास और ज़्यादा बैकलॉग्स हो जाता और मेरी लाइफ सिर्फ बैकलॉग्स में ही रह जाती.
2000 years later.
The last clip that you have seen वो अगस्त की थी and now it's 1st September. वो भी night हो रही है अभी and I started making my to-do list. I was feeling little bit good, so I thought let's utilize this night time and do whatever I can do. So I started making my to-do list and then I started accountancy because I have so much to cover up in accountancy and I'm still struggling to cover up because my health is like कभी सही है और कभी बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं है. And yes, that is the reason. So yeah, I started with accountancy. I thought that I will watch 2-3 videos of accountancy, but ठीक है, at this point of time I was not feeling very well. I decided कि अब पैकअप करते हैं और कल शिफ्ट करते हैं, जहाँ पे एंड किया है वहीं पर से कल स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Desperate for aid in front of the outside forces, its people have taken up weapons. The land is in the brink of war. With nowhere else to turn, the people are turning on each other. Popular's plans finally being carried out. Enclave transforming into forces and attacked another one. In response, Cossacks and the Red Army
Good morning everyone. So it's day 2 and I am making my to-do list while watching anime. I love anime and wherein I was making my notes also because when you are not feeling well now, you need something to cheer up your mind, and for me it's my anime. It's day 4. Yes, you might be asking where's day 3. So I took 1 day break and it's 4th September right now and I am feeling a little bit well, not so much but थोड़ा बहुत. So I decided कि let's watch English class क्योंकि ये लाइव क्लास होता है तो उसको कवर करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, वरना फिर अकाउंटेंसी की तरह इसमें भी बहुत सारा बैकलॉग्स आ जाएगा एंड आई डोंट वांट दिस टू हैपन. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि चलो इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं.
As you guys have seen that in the starting of the video that I have a lot of backlogs with me and सबसे ज़्यादा backlogs accountancy में ही है. I don't know why, but because of some reasons there is a lot of backlog. I cannot even count the number कि कितना सारा है, but yeah I can show you. Wait, my Wi-Fi is very slow. तो ये सारा लिंक जो फुलफिल्ड है विथ रेड कलर, इसका मतलब इतने वीडियोस देख चुके हैं, यानी कि 34 वीडियोस आई हैव वॉच्ड जो भी क्लास था. ठीक है, अब उसके बाद यू कैन सी कि कितना सारा वीडियोस पेंडिंग है एंड इट्स लाइक कि एक चैप्टर का हाफ पोर्शन और एक चैप्टर पूरा फुल, यानी कि इवन इफ आई वांट आई कैन कंप्लीट दिस इन 1 डे, क्योंकि ड्यूरेशन काफ़ी कम है, यू कैन सी
18 minutes, 33 minutes, 19 minutes. But the problem is कि I want my concept to clear, क्योंकि ये कोई रिविजन तो है नहीं दैट कि एक बार में पढ़ लिया और हो गया बस. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आई जस्ट नीड टू क्लियर माई कॉन्सेप्ट, क्योंकि फिर रिविजन के टाइम में ऐसा ना हो कि वापस ये चीज़ें फ्रॉम ज़ीरो से स्टार्ट करना पड़े. तो यही सब है. और इंग्लिश का भी एक ही क्लास का बैकलॉग था, तो वो अभी जस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. नाउ पीएचडी का कोई बैकलॉग नहीं है ग्रेटफुली, और ना ही इकोनॉमिक्स का है. और बस इंडियन इकोनॉमी भी नहीं है. ऑल द इंडियन इकोनॉमी आई डोंट लाइक इट. लाइक माई फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज इकोनॉमिक्स. बट या अकाउंटेंसी पे आई नीड टू फोकस मोर. आई नीड टू गिव more time to it. It's time taking subject and it requires a lot of efforts, because if you don't do revisions, if you don't solve questions every day, then you will lag behind, and it is the truth. And this is what happening with me. Like because of some reason, because of some health issues, I was not able to revise, or I was not able to do questions, and even I am not able to attend the classes. As you can see कि कितना सारा backlogs लग चुका है, और इससे ज़्यादा ही था. मतलब ये एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनर तो पूरा ही था, बट आई मैनेज टू कवर अप हाफ आई गेस, और बस थोड़ा सा ही रह गया है. तो माई फर्स्ट टारगेट है कि पहले ये चैप्टर 3 तक इसको पूरा अच्छी तरीके से कंप्लीट करना, एंड देन उसके बाद इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने. मेरे पास रेफरेंस बुक्स हैं उससे, एंड फिर आगे रिटायरमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर्स एंड ये वो जितने भी हैं वो सारे
start the hustle. And if you still didn't subscribe the channel, so do subscribe it. And now you are going to see time lapse clip for few minutes. So this is the next day, which means 5th of September, and good afternoon. It's afternoon, it's 3 already, and I was not able to wake up early or even study because my health is not well, and that's the reason. So I decided to start my study session now, my desk.
It's day 5 and I'm still not feeling good enough to get my motivation back. But I thought कि थोड़ा बहुत भी जितना हो सकता है उतना कवर करना चाहिए, वरना वो चीज़ें और ज़्यादा बढ़ती जाएंगी, बैकलॉग्स पे बैकलॉग्स लगते जाएंगे. एंड past few days were very up down period of my life. But one thing that I have learned from this is that life must go on. You cannot stop in a particular position or way or time, because time will never stop, it will go. And if you want to do better, best in your life, or want to achieve something that you have dreamed of, you need to cope up with it. And one more thing that I have realized is to prioritize my health first. Yes, whenever I feel low, I took a break. ठीक है, चीज़ें हो जाएंगी, but for me, my health should be my first priority. And currently, I am working on it, and hopefully, I'll do my best in it. And yeah, if my health is good, my mind will be good, and my things will go good in a good direction. So make sure you prioritize your health.
I decided कि अब कल के लिए वो 2 क्लास रहने देते हैं. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम वॉचिंग एनीमे. सो अब तक यू गाइज गॉट टू नो कि आई लव एनीमे. सो वाइल वॉचिंग दिस आई विल मेक नोट्स साइड बाय साइड. एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. वी विल मीट टुमारो एंड लेट्स सी कि कितना बैकलॉग्स कल कंप्लीट हो सकता है. ओके, गुड नाइट, बाय बाय.
comment section ki how many backlogs you guys have and how much syllabus you all have completed already, whether you are from commerce, whether you are from science, whether you are from humanities. Make sure you comment. Feeling super tired already.
I don't know how many times I've said hello in this particular video. Wait a minute.
by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So yeah, hello again. So basically what I am doing right now, it's easy. It's 9:30 already. So I just wanted to create an environment where I can study and get for better productivity. So ऐसे table lamp on करके it feels nice. And not only this, but I have to wear this now. Many of you might be wondering why I wear this. So yeah, I have some issues with my neck and my neck gets stiff so easily, and that is why I need this, and it feels super comfy. Okay, stop blabbering. This is what I always tell myself whenever I shoot. Okay, stop blabbering and start doing the work you are going to do. So as I have so many backlogs on accountancy, I have mentioned this line. I really don't know how many times. I don't know what's happening in this video. I repeat the lines and words very frequently, and I don't know how many times. So yeah, let's go.
While editing, I saw that I'm looking like a jadoo, like Jadugar, you know. It's really funny. Just look at me.